So what turns raw meat into that perfect snap?
Beef, pork, chicken raised at massive scale to feed a massive demand. This is the first link in a cold-controlled chain. Temperature is not a detail, it is the whole game.
The processor usable cuts are separated and trimmed and chilled fast.
Quality control happens before the factory ever sees it.
Cooling slows bacteria. Every minute matters. Flavor comes from another world's spice farms, feeding a global recipe. Dried ground packed, then shipped to meet the meat. Even the casing can be engineered cellulose made from plant fibers. Meat, spices, casings, everything converges here. Step 1. The meat arrives chilled or frozen, still locked in the cold chain. Every batch is tracked and checked before it can move forward. Step 2. Temperature-controlled storage keeps spoilage on pause. Step 3. Trimming removes what will not emulsify cleanly. Automation moves fast, but inspection is still personal.
Step 4. Grinding reduces the meat to a controlled particle size.
Friction creates heat, so temperature gets monitored constantly.
Step 5. Ice and water control heat and help build the final bite. Fat is flavor, and it is engineered into the emulsion. Step 6. Salt, spices, and curing agents lock in flavor and color. This is where consistency begins to erase randomness. Step 7. High-speed emulsification turns meat into a smooth paste. When it flows like this, the final bite will be the same every batch. Step 8. Vacuum pulls out air pockets, and density and shelf life depend on it. Step 9. The emulsion is pumped like a liquid through sealed stainless lines. Step 10. Casings load onto the line natural or cellulose built for speed. Step 11. Pressure-controlled stuffing creates a perfectly even strand. Any trapped air becomes a defect later, so the line hunts for perfection now. Step 12. Linking turns one long rope into thousands of identical units. Step 13. Smoke and heat start building the signature aroma. It is not random smoke. Airflow time and density are tuned. Step 14. Cooking finishes the protein set temperature and humidity locked. Done means safe, and safe is measured every run. Step 15. Rapid cooling stops cooking and blocks bacterial growth. Water or air, either way, the goal is fast, even chill. Step 16. For skinless hot dogs, the casing is removed automatically. This is the look people expect. Glossy, evenly cooked,
no wrinkles. Step 17, metal detection, catches what should never be there. Scanners check shape, size, and consistency, because uniformity is the brand. Step 18, only approved product moves forward. Everything else stops here.
Step 19, vacuum sealing, preserves freshness by removing oxygen.
That tight wrap is not just neat, it extends shelf life.
Step 20 labels add batch and expiry data traceability to the end. Step 21 packs are boxed for shipping fast and repeatable.
A pallet is a map built to survive forklifts, miles, and time. Cold storage holds the finish line until the world is ready to eat. Step 22 distribution keeps the cold chain unbroken. From here it is. Warehouses, supermarkets, stadiums, anywhere speed matters. The factory is done, but the product's journey is not.
After all that steel and cold air, back to fire.
Consistency is the real product, and flavor is the proof.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.